Right. Good morning, children. So today I am going to discuss about our fifth class. We are going to discuss about the animals and habitats and adaptations. So animals are there, different type of animals are there. In our daily life, we'll see the different type of animals or not. Yes. So what kind of the adaptations and what is the habitat I am going to explain to you all, children. Already. So we discussed about some kind of the things, right? Now I am going to continue the habitat and the next. Is a fifth class, right? What is the class? Fifth class. Now I am going to learn about the different type of habitats are there. So what is mean by habitat actually? So what is mean by habitat? You can say that the area of place where there all particulars of animals are naturally or lives is called as a habitat. Habitat is nothing but all different type of living things are right to present in a one place we call as a habitat. Correct or not? So these are the different type of animals is nothing but I am going to ask one question to you, children. If you go for the any pond is there, the pond is also one of the habitat. How can we say the pond means inside of the water? Once you observe that the lizards are there and squirrels, okay, fishes are there, frogs are there, snakes are there, and some kind of the hens also right to present. Yes or no? The crows are coming and the trees are there nearby the pond. These are all the different type of living organisms or not, living things or not. Yes, definitely it is a living thing. Somehow we can say that living things are right to call as a one kind of the habitat, but their living things are having the different type of regions of a, some are in a forest, some are in a houses, okay. So here means where we are going to say that some are right to present in our day-to-day life. In our houses also some kind of animals are right to present. Yes or no? I'll ask one question to you. For example, dogs are there. Where it will be dogs? The dogs are in our home or outside of the home? In our home only. Yes or no? So this we call some kind of the forest area, some kind of animals are right to present. Yes or no? The forest area, some kind of the variety of the plants will present and variety of the what does it means, variety of the animals will present, birds will present, and flowers will also right to present. These are all the different type of things are there. And next, you know that is a one, forest is a one of the habitat. How can we say that the forest is a one of the habitat? Means yes, in that forest area some kind of the animals are right to present. That animals are not coming to our areas. If it will come also, it will not existence. Yes or no? How can we say that? See, for example, animals are try to present. In our animals, we see that, for example, lion is there. The lion will present in a forest only. It won't be right to come to our area. If it will come also, it will won't try to. It is not to sustain in our life. Correct or not? How can we say? Okay, for example, lion will come means we are right to hunt, or otherwise lion will hunt us. Yes or no? These are the different type of things are there. If you go for the desert area, that is also one of the habitat. Correct or not? The desert area is also one of the habitat. So how can we say that there is a desert area is also one of the habitat? Means some kind of the animals are right to present in the desert area. The human beings are also different. They are also human beings, but their dressing sense is different and their food culture is different. Yes or no? So these are the different type of categories are right to present in our daily life. Clear, children? All of you understood now what I'm saying? That is a eating habits also different among. So different type of areas are having the different type of animals are right to present. Okay, in a areas, what I said, in a area of a forest some kind of the animals will present. In a area of a desert some kind of the animals will present, like a camels or so camels are right to present, or other animals are right to present. Okay, and next one, what does it mean? So snakes are also present in a desert, but the snakes are different, so they are right to present in a different, so not looking like a same, right? They are also present. And polar regions also there. In the polar regions also some kind of the plants and some kind of the, and do you know that the desert area, the desert area is also having the plants. The plants are plants need some kind of the less water, that plants can try to survive, and that plants can try to come and try to occur. and coastal areas also some kind of the plants will present, and not only the plants, animals also there. You can see the different type of animals. So each and every area is a habitat. Habitat is nothing but the different type of collection of the living things are right to present in a one place, then that place is said to be, it is called as a habitat. Okay now children, all of you understood now? So very simple and very easy, right? And now you can see that is the octopus are there, and see, and I'm going to inform to the different type of habitats I'm going to present them. So where we are going to say that habitats means forests are there. The forest is a one of the habitat, we know that, okay, because forest is, I said just now, so forest is containing different type of animals and different type of plants will try to present. And if you go for the desert area, yes, desert also having the one of the habitat, the different type of plants and animals are right to present in that. Okay na children, understood now? And next one, and what does it means, that is the polar regions are there. Okay, so what does it means, polar regions? Polar regions. So polar regions also having the different type of desert animals are right to present, and we have the different type of category of animals will present. What does that means, the polar bears, yak, different, because polar region is having the more cool now. How to sustain that coolness means by using of this kind of the polar regions are having that kind of the coolness now. So this kind of the polar bears are there, so having the skin is having more fur and wool is there, that's why it is right to protected by the coolness. So that is a different type of reasons, right? And for example, if you go for the oceans, sea, the sea is also one of the habitat. How can we say that? That kind of the octopus is there, jellyfish is there, whales are there, fishes are there. So different type of animals are right to present among. Each and every animal is inside of the sea means that is a one of the habitat for the situation. Clear all or not? Okay now. So different type of thing. So here, and if you go for the different type of waters also there na, water contents are there na. For example, if you go for the Godavari river, Krishna river, that is a water, drinking water supply also, it is a fresh water, we call fresh water. That area also some kind of the animals are right to present. These animals are not sustained nearby the sea, because of the reason their region is different and the sea region is also different. Clear na children, understood now? So that's why. And sea oceans are there, oceans. Sorry, ocean. Okay, see here oceans are there, and now we'll go for the adaptations also right to present. What is that? Adaptations is nothing but any change in the future or behavior of this species, so that help to survive in this habitat is called as adaptations. So simple logic I am going to talk to you all. Adaptation is nothing but the changing of a situation. For example, I'll say, so summer season is one kind of the plants will grow, and summer season one kind of the animals will try to occur. Do you know that in our general language we can call that some animals will try to take a shelter in a summer season, and winter season it will go to the other areas. Yes or no? Some other area animals will come to our area winter season, because simple, our human beings are there now. For example, summer season it is so hot, then we are ready to search for the where that the cool place is there, means we can go and ready to so take a shelter, correct or not? So that is the one thing. And next one, if you go for this one, adaptations is nothing but these kind of the movement are changing of a seasons, changing of a behavior of the animals are trying to say that there is a adaptations. And here, okay, adaptations are also different type of adaptations are there. For example, limbs or legs, fins, webbed fins. For example, how this each and every animal is right to move one place to another place now. How that animals are right to moving. Adaptations means changing one place to another place, moving na. how the animals are right to move. For example, human being is also one of the animal. We can say that the human beings are moving means with a legs, limbs or legs. Okay, and if you go for that is the fins are there, the fishes are there na? The fishes are having the fins and tails are there. Okay, it will try to move by using of a, inside of the water it will go for the one place to another place by using of this kind of the uh, organisms are there. Yes, if you go for the for example some kind of the snakes are there, and what does it mean, honeybees there, birds are there, every animal is a right to move. Living thing is nothing but it is moving. If it is moving, then it is a living thing. The plants also moving. How can we say that the plants are growing in this direction, it will move? There is a special category of the plant. Okay na? And wings, scales, and these are the different type of things are right to present. It is a right to fly. Okay, so some animals are right to fly, some birds are right to fly, and they're having the different type of breathing things also there. We already discussed, and now I'm going to discuss with you. Previously we discussed about the plants. Okay na? What does it means breathing things also, sorry breathing things also there? How can we say that the breathing things are there in our daily life? Means simple. So here there is a, our human beings are right to present, lungs are there, we are going to breathe with our lungs. Okay na? And if I'm going to take as a skin some kind of the frog, there is a special category. The frog is having a special category to breathe it. The skin is useful to take a breathing for the frog. And next one is a so spiracles. So some kind of the is nothing but it is a spiracles is nothing but it is a holes of the insects. So small holes will be there, that is the air holes. We call as another name is a air holes are there. It is right to breathe. Clear now? All of you understood? So that is the reason. And here there is a how to cover that kind of the all body parts and all those things means simple. All body parts are going to covered with a skin. Correct or not? So agree? All people can agree that there is a all are our human beings. I am going to say our human beings and most of the animals are right to cover with a skin. And the next one, the covering is also there or not? And you can go for the different type of examples are there. For example, if you go shells are there, the fishes and dolphins, you can see that the shell type of arrangement is there. Not that, sorry, not shells. Shells will, you know that some kind of the inside of the water it will be there like a shell. You know tortoise, the tortoise is also using this kind of the hard thing to protect themselves. Okay na? And next one, feathers. You know the birds are there, the birds are right to protected by using of the feather. And then is a more coolness is there means, that's why the god gifted, that is a feathers are using to protect themselves. The wings also right to fly also. Okay na? And next one, hair and fur. Okay, if you go for the sheep, the sheep or goat in a polar regions, the polar regions, once you observe that is a sheep fur is a, hair is a long, woolen is a long, because the god gifted, that is the kind of the cool areas, the sheep are right to protected their skin by using of the fur and this kind of the woolen. Okay na? So that is the reason. And camouflage and such as a chameleons can change their color. You know chameleons, you know the chameleons are right to change the colors. How that it is right to change the color, amma? If any reason, yes we have. So what does it means? Different type of animals are right to present in our day-to-day life also. Once you observe that some color changing animals will appear, the insects also right to change the colors, right? This is called as a camouflage. Okay, camouflage. And next one is a thick skin. What I said, the thick skin, who's that? Crocodiles are there na? For example, once you see that crocodile skin is a very thick and hard, because it is right to sustain with a all type of environment. So that is the reason it is right to appear in our day-to-day life. So clear all of you? Understood now? Yes. And now we have the eating habitats. Okay, eating habits also there. So for example, if you go for the lion, I'll ask one question to you all children. The lion is having the one kind of the eating habits. Okay, if you go for the other animal, for example deer is there, the deer eating habits also different, our human beings eating habits also different. Every category of people, every category of animal is having their own, what is that, eating habits. Clear and understood all of you? Eating habits are different if you go for anything. Okay, I'll say for example here the eating habits are different now. Then I'll say three regions are there. Every animal is having the three type of category. In this three type of category, any one category it will occupy. Okay na? The animals are there. Animals eating habits. Eating habits. Okay na? Animal eating habits means, simple logic I am going to say, the three category of eating habits are there. The first one is herbivores, and second one carnivores, and third one is the omnivores. Okay, so these are the different type of categories of this animals are there. Okay, understood now children? See this is the eating habits are there, and animals are having the different type of habits are there. See here, herbivores are there, carnivores are there, and omnivores are there. In lower classes also you already learned about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, right? I'll say, listen carefully. Herbivores are nothing but which animals are right to eat only the plants and leaves of the plants only. Okay, the plants which animals can eat, only the plants, either leaf or anything, but plants only. That kind of the animals are categorized as a herbivores. Okay na? And carnivores are there. The carnivores is nothing but, what is that? If any kind of the animal ready to eat the flesh and blood of the other animal. So listen carefully children. If any animal is ready to eat the other animal flesh or blood, anything, flesh or meat, whatever may be, right? So here that kind of the animals are called as a carnivores. That kind of the animals are called as a carnivores. And if you go for the omnivores, that omnivores is nothing but simple. So these are the only plants. Listen. So these are the only flesh or blood. That's it. Another animals. Otherwise animals also you can write. Okay, these animals will eat only that kind of the grass, this kind of the plants it won't eat, right? And omnivores are there, that is a plants plus animals, these two. So which animals are right to eat these kind of the two category of the things, then we said that there is a omnivores, right? So I will say sorry, okay, I'll say that the herbivores are the plants. I said now the plants means simple. So where we are using this kind of the animals are there, which animals are there, like a deer, okay, deer, cow, goat. These are the different type of examples are there. More examples are there, right? I will given is less. Got it now? The next one, carnivores are there. Carnivores is nothing but animals na. Either animals means, for example, simple one is a lion, okay, and tiger. So these are the, and next one is a if you go for any example, more examples are there. Lion, tiger is the best example, okay, and more examples are there, but I given only less, 2 examples only. If you want to find out, you can get more in your textbook, they given more. And next one, omnivores are there. Omnivores is nothing but the human beings also, because human beings in the category also, some of the people are ready to eat the plants, some of the people are ready to eat the animals, like if chicken, mutton, yes or no. So some people they will eat or not. That's why they will eat the green leaves and what does it means? Green leaves and whatever it may be, fruits and vegetables also they will eat na. We can say that that is a omnivores, right? Omnivores are there in our day-to-day life. Okay, and here you can say that that is a human beings are there. Human beings and see fox. So different type of there. Fox is also one of the example. Okay, so these are the regions are having the different type of herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Their food habits also different. Okay na children, understood now? And here, so if you go for the giraffe and these are the different type of food habits also there. Okay na? So these are the things are there. Okay, now we'll continue the remaining things also there in our day-to-day life. Okay, if you say that there is a breathing methods also there in our breathing methods means, so I said already just breathing methods are different, and some kind of the network of the tubes present in it through the body is called as a trachea. Okay, what does it means? I said na, just kind of, for example, some kind of the holes are there na. In our holes it will try to breathe. Which kind of the animals can try to breathe? We call as a one is a trachea. Okay, so trachea is nothing but which insects or animals will try to breathe with a holes. That is a trachea, right? And here next one you can say that that is a some kind of the whale is there inside of the water na, right, to breathe with a so blowhole. You know that blowhole. So this kind of the animals are using the gills and different type of so things are there, and movement is also I said already. So four limbs are there. What is a four limbs is nothing but, so it will, for example, any what does it means? Snake is there, amma. How the snake is right to move from the one place to another place? By using of the four limbs also. Okay, or hind limbs are there. What does it means? The front and back, some kind of the limbs are there. It is right to push front. Okay, so that kind of the category of things are right to present. That's it. Okay, and next one you can go as a reptiles are there, and different type of things there. As a snakes are there, lizards are there. We have the different category of things are right to present. You all people, once you read your textbook, I may give notes to you. Okay, in the next class I will give notes, and different type of aerial animals also right to present. I said already aerial animals is nothing but, so simple. Once you say, I'll say one which one is right to present on our earth. Reptiles are there. Reptiles means which one is right to present on earth or walls like this. For example, so lizards is there. Lizard is nothing but it is right to appear to the walls and some areas, right? And snakes are there. And next one, aerial animals are there. Aerial animals is nothing but which animal is right to fly and right to appear on in air only. It won't appear mostly on the ground. Okay na? And aquatic animals also there. Aquatic animals is nothing but, what is it? Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals is nothing but which will live in a what does it means? Such as a fish swims in the help of the fins. And I see here aquatic animals, the tail of the fins is right to change. So like a duck, pigeon, fish, and all are aquatic animals on. Okay, and we have the different type of animals are right to. Migration is also there. What is meant by migration? Simple. The migration is nothing but animals can right to move from one place to another place, or the birds can move one place to another place. That is called as a migration. Okay, that is right to move one place to another place. So children, understood all of you? This is very important. You can try to listen and try to read the textbook. 100% you will get the more information about this. Okay children, right? So that's all for today. So tomorrow we will discuss the remaining thing, right? Thank you.